100 NIH-funded Alzheimer's and Parkinson's research papers contain completely made-up data according to new allegations, billions in funding, and years of research now in serious doubt.
Okay, so this is said in the context of them talking about research being wrong and specifically the model of Alzheimer's being caused by these plaques that form in cells in the brain being wrong, and it's more about your metabolic health and diet than it is about these plaques. This was a real story where researchers from labs that were very influential were publishing data that was fabricated. I'm not a neuroscientist, but as far as I can tell in the literature, the consensus is still that these plaques do play a significant role in the pathogenesis of Alzheimer's. It's just that specifics within that model kind of got muddied and confusing because of these results being called into question. And this is a problem sometimes. Sometimes data are fabricated. Sometimes there are paper mills publishing garbage that is just complete nonsense into the scientific literature. But just like many of the problems discussed in this video, there's no quick fix or easy solution to it. You just have to kind of do the work to actually read the papers and assess them. You have to actually read and understand the data, not just read the abstract and look at the limitations section or the funding section like a lot of people do. And you have to actually read and assess the data for lots of different papers in a given field to see if the data are consistent with one another. Because if lots of people from lots of different labs are finding the same thing all over the world independent of each other, then that is going to build a much stronger case for whatever conclusions are being formed.